All right, we have made it to the Kinkakuji, and this is probably one of the most rarest days you'll ever see the Kinkakuji in snow. It's absolutely beautiful, and the view from over there is like the most beautiful. But like, you know, you're kind of in a flood of people, and people are pushing and everything to get to the front, and some people just stay there for a super long time. We're trying to just get like a selfie, and we couldn't, but um, it was worth coming here either way. Like, this was my dream last year in Kyoto to come during the winter and see this. So I'm glad I finally accomplished that. One of my friends like showed me a photo of it during winter, and I was like, I gotta go see it then and take some photos of my own. So I finally did that, and mission accomplished, I guess. It's just be prepared. It's like luck, obviously. Like last year, I didn't get to see it at all, but luck plays a huge factor, and I just so happened to catch it this year in 2025. So I'm very happy about that. Part of it is covered in ice. Oh, you can see the split right here. What? There's an insane amount of people here, but we're here and we're doing our thing. What? People are not where the trees are. Let's go get to the side of it.
Randomly, I just meet them.
That's cool. Made it. Kinkakuji. All right, we are still at the Kinkakuji, but just way in the back now. But it's also extremely beautiful here, so I wanted to do a little bit more filming. Um, and just close off by saying this is definitely one of the most beautiful days I've ever seen in Kyoto, and I'm repeating it, but it's like seriously such a happy memory. Um, and I don't mind that there's a lot of people. I'm glad everyone gets to see this. It's just like so beautiful to the point. It's like it doesn't matter, you know. I'm just glad everyone can experience this. It's just incredible. Like definitely getting to experience this like at least once is insane, and I'm very like happy. It's like I don't know how to describe it, but like in the morning when I heard that it was snowing so much, um, like our event actually got canceled. We were supposed to go to like Spocha or something near Fushimi, but I'm glad it got canceled because like, well, the bus had to get canceled, and then afterwards, I was like, okay, it's snowing heavily. Let's go to Kinkakuji. And at first, like my girlfriend didn't want to because she knew it was gonna be crowded, but I was like, I need to see this once. So we ended up coming, and she's happy that we did. And yeah, it's just I'm glad that we did as well. I had hesitations just because you know she did, and she said it was gonna be crowded and the snow might melt. It did not melt, as you can see, and it was all worth it. Like definitely just go. Like doesn't matter like if there's a chance that you might not see it. Like just take that chance. You know, it's luck sometimes. So I'm just really happy to be doing so many random things with the snow and seeing it fall right now. It's just so beautiful, honestly. Oh, my hand, my glove. Oh man. I feel like I'm missing so many things, so I want to like show you guys more cool stuff, like this set of stairs right here, and then this pathway. All of it is just extremely beautiful. Just walking along this path, like even past the Kinkakuji. So gotta just film a little bit more. All right, I finally found an area where there's like less people and no one's coming here because it's like the stair area. So we can just uh, fully close off properly here. Um, I don't know. It's it's like I really have nothing to say other than like this. This is honestly like so beautiful, and I'm so happy. And like, man, I wish I could like just have filmed the whole process, but I don't want to like annoy people because there are so many people, and I know some people aren't comfortable on being on camera. That's like the primary thing that makes me not want to film all the time. Obviously, um, I just I feel like I should definitely get over that and not worry, because honestly, like this is just too nice to worry, I guess. But yeah, like look at this. I wonder if you can see it properly, but the snow is just constantly being replenished right now. It's so beautiful. What the heck? What the heck? But anyways, I just want to reiterate the point. Winter is underrated in Japan in general, in Kyoto mostly, maybe, because that's where I've been the most. But like stuff like this is just so extremely beautiful. I can't. Like I have discovered that this is one of the greatest joys in my life is just seeing snowfall and snow in general. Coming from California, like that's very rare unless you go up into the mountains. And to see like snowfall like this, I just haven't ever seen that in any other place other than Japan so far in my life. So I kind of associate it with um, my experience in Japan right now. And yeah, winter is just incredible. Um, yeah, just to actually show the best day of winter I've ever seen in Kyoto, instead of that previous video where I was just like seeing a little bit of sprinkle and being so happy about it. Like this is actually like legit a snowy day in Kyoto, and like I will write songs about this day for sure. A dedicated album maybe to winter and my experience here during winter. Man, it's cloudy, but earlier it was like sunny. It's so it was like that combination is like the most beautiful thing in the world. Okay. Like honestly, I felt like crying because of how beautiful this day was, and I still might. But like, oh my god. Okay, okay. Anyways, that's enough for me. Okay, that's insane. What the? Holy crap! It is like super snowy now. Okay, this never ends. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck? Okay, there's the Kinkakuji again. What the heck? Yo, it's so nice. God, I actually might cry. It's so beautiful. Guys, alright, I, I, I can't, I can't hold it back. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh my god, dude, this is definitely the best winter day in Kyoto I've ever experienced in my life. Holy shit. Holy shit. I would like shout if there weren't so many people here. Oh man. All right, let's just not say we're closing off anymore. This is insane. This is just insane. Let's just hold this position and watch the snow. It's beautiful. All right, sun's out. It is extremely beautiful with the sparkling snow just floating in the air. I really wish this camera could capture it, but it's like barely seeing it. Let's just keep filming. It's beautiful. Alright, this is the line. This is why you come earlier. It's crazy. It goes all the way up there. We are now at Kamogawa River, and this is just brilliant. Oh my god. Seriously the best winter day I've ever seen in Kyoto. Oh my god. Yo. Holy shit. With the sun out, it's so beautiful. Check. Super happy. Time to go eat.